Hi, this is Justina from Practice Test Academy, and in this short video I will give you a personal tour of our testing software. Below the information about the E2 paper, you'll find the heart of our software here. Our tests are divided into two categories, study mode and an exam mode. You should use the study mode if you want to practice and learn at the same time. In a study mode, you'll get the answers straight away so you can understand if you were correct or not and why. You should use the exam mode, which is actually an exam simulator, if you want to test your knowledge under the exam conditions. That means you will have a limited time to complete the questions, and the score you will get only after you complete the full test. Now let me walk you through an example of one of our study mode. You have two possibilities here. You can either practice the full part just by clicking this button here on the top, or you can practice each topic separately by clicking on the links below here. We have written our questions based on the Kaplan study book, so in most cases the subparts will correspond to the names of the Kaplan chapters. Okay, so what can we find here? This is a testing screen of E2 A5 competitor analysis. This is a drop-down type of question. You need to select your proper answer, click on the next button. You are going to have an explanation why it is correct and what are the other options as well. Now this one is, for example, a typical multiple response type of question where you need to select 4 options. If you don't know how to answer this question, that's not a problem. You can simply skip the question. This is a typical drag and drop type of question. As you can see, we are utilizing here all the possible question types that CIMA uses in their final exams. So you can be used to the exam format and then excel at it. Now let's move on to the mock exams. We give you 3 types of mock exams. The first one includes 60 unique questions, and that means that they are original and they cannot be found in any of the above parts here. We also give you 2 other mock exams, one with the 60 questions and one with the 30 questions. The functionality here is exactly the same. However, we utilize CIMA methodology here and we randomly pick questions from our database, which means that it is almost impossible to have 2 mocks that have exactly the same set of questions. That also means that you are given an unlimited number of mock exams. As you can see, the number of the questions within a mock is selected based on the percentage syllabus split. So for example, if part A covers 30% of the syllabus, you can expect 18 questions from that part on your final exam. Additional features to mention here is that you can practice your time management and also utilize other features like flag for review, or when you answer a few questions, you can go back to the question that you think you either skipped or you were not really sure how to answer. You can also scroll down till the bottom and then you can review all the incomplete questions, you can review all the questions, or you can only review the flagged questions. That's also the functionality that is being used at the final exam. One of our biggest competitive advantages is that you can clearly see how well you've done within each part and within each chapter. You can review all the questions just by scrolling down and clicking the review button here. If you would like to compare the results of your current test with the results of a test you have taken previously, you can go to My Account and Quiz Results. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope you got the same impression that this is exactly what you need in order to pass your upcoming E2 exam. Remember, we also have a tutor-monitored Facebook group and a 7-day money-back guarantee, so in case you are still unsure, just keep in mind that we transfer the risk on us, so you don't need to worry. Thanks and have a great day. Bye!